Introducing the 2024 Aprilia SR GT200 replica scooter, where style meets performance in the heart of the city. Powered by a potent 174cc single-cylinder engine with 4 valves per cylinder, delivering an impressive 17.4 horsepower. Featuring a liquid cooling system, the SR GT200 maintains peak performance, even during the most demanding city rides. With a maximum torque of 16.5 Newton-meter, the SR GT200 offers responsive acceleration and nimble handling. Built with Euro 3 emission control, it's eco-friendly without compromising on thrilling performance. Equipped with a variable speed gearbox, the SR GT200 provides seamless transitions for an effortless ride. With a 9-litre fuel tank, the SR GT200 offers ample range for exploring the cityscape. The 2024 Aprilia SR GT200 replica scooter, redefining urban mobility with its sleek design and powerful performance. Experience the thrill of urban exploration. Visit your nearest Aprilia dealer and ride the SR GT200 today. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on motorcycles like this. Until next time, ride safe, ride free.